Okay, on to the Year 9 stuff. I'll get this cursor out of the way. So we're going to do the work for 8C after we do these examples, and then you're going to call me when you're finished. Okay, so I want to factorize out the highest common factor in each expression. So I'm going to put a couple little rules over here. The first thing I'm going to do is look to see if the two terms have a letter in common. So in this one, they have an x in common. They both have a factor of x. So that goes on the outside. And then I look to see if they have a number in common, a front number, a coefficient. Okay, so look, this one has nothing in front of it, so no. So put a bracket, and I say, okay, x times what would give me x to the fifth? Well, I need 4 more x's in there. And then I say x times what would give me 3x, and I put a 3 there, and I'm done. Let's try B. These two only have an A in common. This one does not have a B, but they both have an A, and that one does not have a 7 or a 14 or anything like that. So I'll put my A there, and then I'll say A times what to get 7A squared? Well, I need a 7, and I need another A. Then I put the plus sign down, and I say A times what will give me AB? A times B will give me AB. All right, next one. Now I'm looking here if there's no letter in common. They do have a factor in common. 5 divides into both of these, okay? Okay. 5 times what gives me 5x? And 5 times what gives me 15? Now, if I can't find that, it's really hard for me. I go 15 divided by 5, and I'll get the 3 that I need there. And this sign always stays the same in there. Okay, and that's the answer. Okay, last one. Now it's a combination. 2 goes into both numbers. So I need a 2 out there. They both have an A, and they both have a B. So I put them both out here. Okay. Now, there's only one A and one A, so one A can come out. This has 3 B's and 5 B's. So I could get a total of 3 B's out. So when I look for the letter in common, I pick the lowest power to come out. So that's 3 and that's 5, so I'm going to pick 3. And I say that, well, that looks exactly like that. It's exactly the same. I took the whole thing out. And when you take the whole thing out, you have to put a 1 there. And then the plus sign, so it holds its place. And I go over here, and I go, that's not 14. I got to multiply 2 times something to get 14. So I might go, there it is, okay? 7. The A is already there, so I don't need it. But I need 2 more B's. So I go B squared. Okay, great. Now I want you to really give the next problems a good go, and we'll see how you're working. Call me over if you need help.